guys, and welcome back to Kia 24. So as you can see, I'm in the car, but I couldn't wait anymore. I got my package, and y'all knew nothing about this, but it's a slime package. So we're going to attempt to prop my phone up like that, but yeah, it's gonna fall a lot. So we're just going to at a really weird angle, but I'm going to try to open this to where I can, like, save the wrapping paper. Judge me if you want. But it's cute! Yeah, I'm gonna have to rip it. I can still save it, though. Okay. So this is a mystery slime package from Etsy, and it comes with, what did I say, 4 slimes and a squishy? I'm pretty sure. And then some extras. So yeah, I'm so ready. Okay, I opened the side with the, I'm just gonna hold it now. I opened the side with the whoa! Ha! I opened the side with the squishy first. Ah! It's not opening. Okay. What type of? Oh, it's an apple! I was like, what is this? Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. This is a really nice squishy. It's a green apple. Okay. Okay, I gotta open it a little more to get the rest out. Oh! This is, oh my gosh. This is so cute. It's like a little charm. Look, I don't know why I showed my mom first, but it's a little charm, and then there's a mint in here. So, yeah, yeah. And then the slimes. They're stuck. There we go. Okay. So I'm pretty sure there's 4 slimes in here. And then I've got a little activator bottle. And then a slime care sheet. Yeah. Yep. That's what that is. I had to make sure. And then the slimes. So they're wrapped in a bunch of saran wrap. So I just gotta get through that. Oh, there's a little thank you sticker on it. We're just gonna stick that to the activator. Stick to the activator, because why not? I hate saran wrap. She was making sure these slimes weren't spilling. I can see the slimes. You know, I may never get to the slimes. And then there's bubble wrap. Okay. Oh my gosh, these already look so good. Oh my gosh. There's a foam slime. There's a floam. There's a floam. I'm going for that one first because it just looks so cool. Look. Look. I know you're looking. There's big foam beads and small foam beads, and there's just a bunch of different sizes. Oh my gosh, this slime is a little sticky, but it's a really good slime. Which I'll activate them later, but unless they're like too sticky to handle. Oh my gosh, this slime's actually, oh, it smells good. It's scented. Yeah, this is a really nice slime. So, feels almost bad. Fell on my clothes. Okay. So that's the first slime, and that's really nice. I think these are all foam slimes. That's what it looks like. But I'm not complaining. So here's this clear blue slime with foam beads. It looks so nice. Oh, okay. It's like an ocean blue slime. Oh my gosh, it's actually so nice though. This is probably my favorite. It's a really nice, thick, clear slime. It's a little rippy, but it's not bad. It's nice, okay? Alright, we're gonna go with this pink slime now. Now this has micro foam beads in it, which are my favorite. Oh, this is a full foam. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so weird. Look. This doesn't So this one's being a little stubborn. There is a whole pocket of slime over here. Just gotta mix it all up and stuff. Okay. This is actually a really nice slime. Okay, and that's where it gets sticky. I will activate that later. All of these, unless they're like super duper sticky, I'm not activating them right now because I'm in the car. Ooh, this one looks so pretty. Now this one does not have foam beads. This one has glitter in it, and it's clear. At least it looks clear. Yeah, it's clear. And holy cow, does it look nice. Okay, it's like... But this is so pretty. This one isn't sticky at all. It's a clear slime. I didn't expect it to have scent because it's clear, and scent fogs up clear slime. So this is a really nice slime. I really like it. I really like my package. I will definitely order from her shop again. But that was all the slimes. There is a clear blue white foam bead slime. The clear, I guess like, I can't tell if that's hollow or like iridescent glitter. The mini foam bead, and then the different size foam bead slime. I don't know if I have a favorite, to be honest. Like, oh, I didn't open the little Ziploc bag thing, because I want to see what this thingy is. Oh wow, this is really cool. It's a little heart, and it's like clear on this side, and then it's like foggy on this side, but it just looks really good. I know what they did to make this though. It's like resin, it's called. Yeah. And then I got a little Redbird handcrafted candy mint. So that was my slime package, and it was beautiful. Like, that was a medium slime mystery package. They have a large one. I'm pretty sure they have a large one, and I know for sure they have a small one. So this was a really nice package. So go check out Kate's Slime Factory. She has really nice slimes. So yeah, it was a really nice package. And the overview. Hold on, let me just. I had to put this little thingy back in here, but squishy. And then slimes. So yeah, I'll definitely order from there again. I really like this squishy. And yeah, go check it out on Etsy. That's where I ordered this from, correct? Correct. And then it came with a little activator bottle and everything, so yeah. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. I was so excited when I saw that in my mailbox. I couldn't wait till we got back to my house to do a video, so I did it in the car. So it was definitely a different setting, but yeah. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching.